Top TikTokers around the world. TikTok is emerging as a viable marketing platform for content creators and brands alike. The video sharing platform is the most downloaded app in the Apple iOS store and has an active user account of 500 million. No wonder TikTok is the marketing destination of choice for smart brands. TikTok influencers can not only spread your message faster, but they are also cheaper in the long run. Plus, the engagement they generate is organic and long-lasting. If you're interested in knowing who are the top TikTokers around the world, then please keep watching. Number 1, at Lauren Gray, followers 37.4 million. Lauren Gray is a singer and social media personality who hails from Pennsylvania, USA. She also has a large fan following on Instagram and YouTube. Lauren created her TikTok account when she was in the 6th grade. She faced a lot of flack from her schoolmates and moved to Los Angeles. Since then, her TikTok journey has been stupendous. Lauren was nominated for the Teen Choice Awards and Shorty Awards. In 2018, she was signed by Virgin Records. Then, she released her first single, My Story. The teen sensation who considers Eminem as her idol was later signed by Capitol Records. Number 2, at Baby Ariel, followers 30.2 million. Baby Ariel is an American singer and actress who has a massive fan base on most social media sites, notably TikTok. She started her social media career in 2015. Her anti-bullying campaign on TikTok, #Ariel movement, became an instant success. Later, she launched an anti-trolling movement to raise her voice against negativity on the internet. Recognizing her worthwhile contributions and reach, Time magazine featured her in the list of most influential personalities on the internet. She was named one of the top entertainment influencers by Forbes. Number 3, at Zach King, followers 30.7 million. Zach King started his career by posting tutorial videos about the video editing software Final Cut Pro. Using the software, he created illusion videos that he calls digital sleight of hand. Viewers were delighted by videos of him flying on a broomstick and cats fighting with lightsabers. King's first TikTok video showed him escaping from a jail cell. It amassed him a following of 30 million. He has received many awards for his creations, including YouTube's Next Step Creators Contest and VidCon Golden Poop Award. Number 4, at Riaz, followers 26.8 million. Indian actor and fashion blogger Riaz Ali is a top influencer on Instagram and TikTok. Ali's followers love his clean, boyish looks and comic talent. His lip sync and musical videos have captivated him to social media's Hall of Fame and earned him the crowned Muser title. Number 5, at Kristen Hanker, followers 23.2 million. Kristen Hancher is a Canadian actress and a social media personality. Kristen's TikTok content has earned her a celebrity status at the tender age of 17. She rose to fame when she posted a lip-sync video of Regret in Your Tears with Nicki Minaj. The singer and dancer is also well known for her roles in Prime's comedy series, Mishaps and The Pain of Painting. She regularly posts makeup tips and fashion hacks that her followers dig. Number 6, at Gilmer Crows, followers 22.8 million. Gilmer Crows is a TikTok star from America who started as a model in Aruba. He also had a successful acting stint that got him the Best Actor award at Aruba Short Film Festival in 2015. Apart from TikTok, Crows co-owns a YouTube channel with his brother, where he posts lip-sync videos with a comic twist. He's inspired by the likes of fellow TikTokers such as Brittany Ferlin. Number 7, at Nisha Guragain, followers 21.7 million. Nisha Guragain is an Indian TikToker who shot to stardom when she posted a lip-sync video of a popular Hindi song. The post got 2.5 million likes, a record of sorts for TikTokers. Nisha also owns an Instagram handle which gets immense engagement. She is a brand influencer on Instagram for many fashion brands. Her followers love her entertaining videos and strong acting skills. Number 8, at Jacob Sartorius, followers 21.8 million. Jacob Sartorius is an American singer and social media sensation. His meteoric rise began when his debut single, Sweatshirt, was featured in the US Billboard Hot 100 chart. His videos on Vine and TikTok have made him a household name in social media circles. Seeing the cult following of Sartorius, Business Insider had dubbed him the next Justin Bieber. Similar to the other popular TikTokers, Sartorius is a poster boy for anti-bullying. He admits to being bullied at school and has since used social media to express his angst. Number 9, at Awaz Darbar, followers 21.3 million. Awaz Darbar is a dancer, choreographer, and TikTok content creator from India. His dance and choreography videos on TikTok and YouTube have propelled him to great heights. Awaz has always been fond of dancing and acting. He owns a dance company, Ace Productions, whose creations he often posts on his social accounts. Number 10, at Arisha Khan, followers 20.9 million. Arisha Khan is an Indian actress who debuted as a child actor on a popular television series. She posts dance videos and dub match clips on her YouTube channel. Her Instagram account also shows impressive numbers and interesting content. Her TikTok followers love her innocent looks and remarkable acting skills. She has made a place in viewers' hearts with her entertaining lip-sync videos and dance moves. She's inspired to become a mainstream Bollywood actress. Number 11, at Jif Palm, followers 20.5 million. Jif Palm is a Pomeranian dog who is also a TikTok sensation and actor. He was featured in Katy Perry's song Dark Horse that got over 2 billion views on YouTube. He also starred in Disney's Bizarre Vark. His other silver screen credits also include Adventures of Bailey, a night in Cow Town. Before becoming a social media legend, Jif had set the Guinness World Record for the fastest 10-meter run on hind legs and the fastest 5-meter run on front paws. The Fury 4-legged TikToker has a loyal fan following that spans all age groups and countries. Number 12, at Janet Zubair, 29, followers 20.3 million. Janet Zubair is an Indian television and film actress who is also a top-rated TikToker. She started her career as a child artist in the popular television series Pula. Thereafter, she worked in many TV shows and eventually secured a lead role in Bollywood movie. But it is her social media career that has earned her a big name. Her Instagram and TikTok accounts have millions of followers. Each of her posts goes viral in a matter of minutes. Often, she partners with other popular TikTokers like Mr. Faisul for her videos. Number 13, at Jaden Crows, followers 19.5 million. Jaden Crows is the younger brother of Gilmer Crows. Together, they own the popular YouTube channel called Crows Bros. Jaden's net worth is estimated to be around $100,000. Jaden was listed as a top social media influencer by Express Magazine's Influencer Edition in 2017. He considers his social media followers as his family and has a Crows fam tattoo on his forearm. Number 14, at Dauber Twins, followers 19 million. Lucas and Marcus, a dancing duo from America, are one of the biggest names on TikTok. Their feed is rich in variety, consisting of vlogs, gymnastics, challenges, lip sync, and comedy videos. The Dauber twins, along with their siblings Cyrus and Darius, founded Dauber Brothers, a popular YouTube channel. In their videos, they perform challenging gymnastic feats such as backflips and dare their followers to replicate their moves. Number 15, at Avneet Kaur_13, followers 18.3 million. Avneet Kaur is an Indian television actress and dancer who has made it big on social media. She got into limelight when she participated in the dance reality show Dance India Dance Little Masters. Though she got eliminated before reaching the finals, her dancing prowess caught the eyes of many. After participating in a spate of dance competitions, she landed her first acting role on ZTV. Later, she featured in many commercials and became a social media star.